So as well as in Nmap, you can do that, pressing different buttons to see what's going on. Nothing really happens. Okay, let's troubleshoot. Is RDP, yeah, it's open. We saw it in Nmap results, but nothing really happens. Okay, let's read here what other options do we have in user specification. So authentication, password first. Yeah, so this is a specific option that will circle through passwords instead of circling through usernames. Yeah, default is more desirable. And can we put a domain somewhere here? I think we cannot. We have to put it into the username somehow. So let's put it like this, I guess. I don't know. I am not a very good user of Uncrack, so just let's try. So we have to notify RDP component that we are trying to log in as a local user. This is one way to do that. It just doesn't start, I guess. Why? Why is it not starting? That's funny. That's funny. Let's do that in one thread. Let's see what happens. And I think that the right notion of it is like this. For it to be host specific, and let's put the username like this. Okay. Or let's just put the full name, the full IP address here. I think this is necessary. What's going on? Let's see what connections are established. Okay, so it's talking to RDP server, right? But nothing really happens. So what's wrong with that? Does it really take so much time to get to the password value in the Rocky list? Most probably, yeah. We can review that in other ways, so we can just see in the event viewer what's going on in security log, right? Is anyone actually trying to attempt logons? So yeah, nothing really is going on. Last logon attempt was like 5 minutes ago. Okay, that something is wrong with uncrack. Probably, you know. So yeah, that's what happens with this highly experimental security software. So you have to experiment with it as well. Maybe Google how to correctly use that. So uncrack with RDP maybe not the best idea. Maybe RDP in Windows 10 is already somehow protected against this guessing attacks. Let's try to do the same thing via SMB with uncrack. Maybe it's not completely hopeless. Is it? I think it is. Okay, sorry for that. Definitely using uncrack for password guessing requires more practice beforehand. But I hope you you get the idea. So some tools are better than others, and you can pick from the other ones. Medusa is one probably that is worth your attention, because at least for historic reasons, that was one of the first ones, one of the first approaches to password guessing online as well as offline. So Kane Enable, of course, does some online password guessing too. Maybe the CL option is messing with that. Not exactly. Maybe the user is already logged out. No, I don't think so. Okay, maybe that's something wrong with the... Okay, so now it works. Now it's working. Why? Okay, so it's completing the process of guessing passwords, as you see. Okay, so I take my words back, and crack is not completely worthless. Apparently, it requires some expert knowledge, I guess. So first of all, you can stop once you find first pair, but this is not the default behavior. So let's see how we make it stop. I think it's something like dash Z or dash F, right? Most probably it's dash F, like stop at first successful attempt. Okay, not here. Okay, quit cracking service after one found credential. So that's what we will do the next time, right? We want only the first successful attempt. And let's try to do that in RDP, right? Okay, so this is our fourth try to master and crack skills. Which failed again. Okay, so you see in this trial and error exercise, we have found out that encrack is not really good for RDP password guessing. Okay, so let's check it out again, that we are not wrong. Let's try SMB. Yeah, so user and password are found, and the operation stops successfully. Okay, so that's something really RDP specific. Let's now, I don't know, I'm becoming curious. Let's try to do that with Hydra. Okay, okay, Hydra. Let's put L here. Let's make it domain specific. Okay, and let's give it the password list. Okay, and then RDP, our IP address, and the port, and then some options that are optional. Okay, let's go. 16 tasks, it's too much. Stop. Minus T1, I guess. Okay. So we have specified the task perfectly, but still, as you can see, something is wrong with RDP. Okay, so let's just leave it right here, because most probably RDP password guessing is not what works well against Windows 10. Okay, let's not check that out on other installations. Of course, we could do that in XP, and as far as I remember, everything works smoothly in XP. But Windows 10 most probably in its default installation is not just prone to password guessing over RDP, but SMB still works. So yeah, you never stop to learn new things in security, and this was a revelation to me. I think that that was interesting to you as well, and hope to see you in the next video. I will leave that here. Maybe at some point it will password guess, and I will just let you know.